What's going on YouTube? Once again, it's your man Big John Restoration. We out here with these bubble Chevy'S. Right here, got Nick's Chevy. He purchased it like this. He done picked out a hot color. Can't tell y'all what it is, but we get ready to lay the paint down on that one. The engine, ridiculous. You don't want to run up next to him, trust me. Then over here, we got the Impala that he used to own before he bought this one. This is the one that we painted. What you see in the previous videos was black and green. We put it out there for sale. The customer came and looked at it and requested that it be black on black with the 22s that used to be on the M&M car. So we did all the body work. That's the same quarter panels. They were straightened out on the frame machine, so everything is good. We do collision work for y'all that don't know. In-house, everything in-house. Did it all jet black interior, put the 22s on it that used to be on the other car. Y'all see it, that's the way you lay down black right there. So as y'all can see, look at that reflection. We can either take them back to factory or do them custom. Y'all know the famous M&M bubble Chevy over here. Sitting on those 24s, TIS. That's all paint, no stickers. This car is for sale. Asking $10,000. Reason being the car is fully custom from front to back. Let me show you a little preview. Excuse the little dirt on the floor. It's got 4 9-inch headrest TVs, 2 in the front seats, 2 in the back. Got the trunk fully done with the stereo system. Front to back. Even got some candy under the hood. This is an ex-police car, so that is a built-up 5.7 that was rebuilt back in '09. So the motor is freshly built. It has a little extras added to it in case you don't want to get out of the way. But y'all see it. 94 Caprice M&M bubble Chevy, ready to go. Asking $10,000 negotiable for it. Call me, I ain't a hard man to get along with. I just don't want to be insulted on the price, but anything is reasonable. We got the 24s, custom paint, 5 TVs, 4 in the headrest, 1 flip out, custom purple interior, painted engine compartment parts, fully custom stereo in the trunk, and all this is paint. No stickers, and the Escalade vents that are cut in, not the Pep Boy stick-ons. John's Restoration, Virginia Beach, Virginia, 757-713-2277. Give us a call if you want your vehicle done, and if you need your vehicle picked up, we got a 24-foot enclosed trailer. We'll come up to 300 miles one way to pick up your vehicle, with a little extra charge, of course. Gas is kind of high. But as you see, we got custom. And then show them that one more time. Back to factory.